Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for the day and week ending Friday, August the 24th, 2018. Well, let's take a look and see how the markets closed out this week, and we're going to just go ahead and use my Thinkorswim platform charting to look at that. Over on the left side here, I have the last 5 days. And on the right side is the weekly chart. And you can see here we have the GLD and a little bit of a volatile week here. It was up 3 days and then it came back down, and then today it roared higher. So and you can see that on the weekly candle here. We have this nice big green weekly candle, and you can see here we have some decent volume behind that as well. The IBB, and let's wait for it to populate here. And there you go, and you can see we had the 2 days where we came up real nice, and then yesterday was an inside bar formation to the day before, and today is yet another doji inside bar formation. So the IBB's having a little hard time the last 3 days just picking a direction, but if you look at the weekly, it certainly looks like it is just gathering steam to break ahead too. And we had set this here showing the high way back here, and it touched it here, just poked through its head through it there. So it's kind of been tapping on it, and with the way the other markets are looking, probably just building the strength to go ahead and pop through. TLT had a very, very good day today. You can see here once again the volatility throughout the week, and and let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. There we go. It's a little bit touchy sometimes. There you go, and you can see for the week. We've had 4 nice weeks in a row with the TLT. IWM set a new all-time high and record close. You can see here we had set this at the previous high where we hit it back here in June, and then we tapped on it in July, just about to it. We came close again another week in July, and today we finally broke through it and closed above it. So all-time high for the IWM. The Qs, and you can see here, nice day here. A little bit of wicks on Tuesday and Thursday, but a nice close. And you can see here how close we are to all-time highs on the Qs. We're just knocking on that door. So we'll see if we can muster the strength to get through there next week. The Dow had a very, very nice day today. Closed green for the week, green for the day, and you can see here we marked this high back here, and we did break through it, but we closed right at it. And once again, we have trend and momentum on our side. So it looks like we are going to continue moving forward there. Definitely a strong bull case to be made. And the spiders, once again, we had this marked here for the all-time high, and you can see we broke through it and closed above it. And you can see here the volatility throughout the week. So the spiders had a very, very nice day, very nice week. So let's go ahead and move that off of the charting for us here today. And we will move on to Holly and take a quick look and see how Holly did for the day and the week. Let me get it up here. There we go. Holly Grill had 23 trades. She made $1.38 profit. Risk on profit 37 cents. And Holly 2.0, 23 trades, lost $1.77. And on the risk on, she lost 11 cents. And Holly Neo had 25 trades, 88 cents profit, and she made $2.98 for the day. So We had 3 Hollies, and you can see the way they all responded. For the day, we ended up with 71 trades, 49 cents profit, 324 risk on profit. Had a fantastic week, 330 trades, $16.77 profit, 47.71 was the risk on profit. So great week for Holly there. And if we take a look at what some of the trades were that went into that, on the Holly Grail, this DOCU was her best risk off trade, and it was a long trade. She got in right here, got out right there, and you can see it did go up higher. She got out because she hit her target. You could have held it and made some more money, but had you held it till the end of the day, which is what the risk on is, you would have only made 61 cents. Sort by the risk on, and you see ZUO, which she is called now. Just here on the screen you can see she has called it as a buy on 4 different occasions, and today risk on profit $1.38. You would have only made 48 cents if you got out when she did, because of a profit save. So it started to pull back a little bit and she bailed, but as we always talk about, with the man with machine, this name of the company we're working with is Trade Ideas. So just to give you ideas, not to tell you when to get in, when to get out. You've got to use your own abilities to help with that. Now let's go ahead and look at Holly 2.0. Her best risk on trade was CORE, 82 cents profit, and you can see here where she got in. She got out because of timed exit, which was the 26 cents she made, but had you stayed in it, you would have gone on to make 82 cents. And DK was her best risk off trade, and she made 54 cents on that. But you can see, had you held it, you would have ended up losing 32 cents if you held till the end of the day. And a quick look at Holly Neo. And Holly Neo, her best trade was a short PTCT, and you can see here, after how nice this was looking, Holly called it right here. This is the daily chart here. So it got right up there, and sometimes we talk about a prior high, and it got up there and was knocking at the door and got rejected. And look what happened to it. So $1 profit because of a target hit. Had you continued in that trade, you could have made $2.94. And yes, that is the best in both categories. So that is your Holly trade for today. And what I want to do is invite you to go ahead and try our software out. You can try it for less than $3 per day. For the standard Trade Ideas, if you want to try the one with the premium that has Holly, you would use the my computer's giving me fits here. Okay, it would be $6.50 per day, and we have monthly plans and we have yearly plans. So check us out. If you use Bullseye 15, you'll save 15% on your first month or your first year. So if you sign up on the monthly, just take note that that'll only be on the first month. It won't be on every month, but you could try it for the month, and as long as you convert to the yearly within the 30 days, you can still save the 15% on the 30. So I would encourage you to go ahead and give that a try. And as always, I'll put that link in the YouTube comments so that you can find it there to get to the link for that. And you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. We're Stock Twits. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. Would sure appreciate that. And even consider subscribing to these videos. Hey, I want to thank you for your time, and God bless.